Hi, my name is Terry Wilson, and I will be doing a presentation on my philosophy of success. So, to get started, I would like to start with a quote that I chose, which is: At the end of the day, people won't remember what you said or did, they will remember how you made them feel. Maya Angelou. I chose this particular quote because being in the medical profession, you see various of patients, and the patients see so many medical staff that it's kind of hard for them to keep track of who's who and their name. So I feel that if you make that particular patient and the family feel wanted and you're advocating for them, they won't remember your name, but they definitely remember how you made them feel. And that's important going into this avenue of medical profession, working at the bedside, healing patients, and working with the general population. So the next tab here will be my definition of success. So my definition of success is basically becoming the best version of you. Success isn't measured based on monetary values or the level of degree or social economical status. It's basically you being committed and dedicated in whatever you decide to do. As for me, it will be becoming a registered nurse, working alongside fellow nurse practitioners, doctors, and so forth, and healing humankind. So that will be my definition of success. But ultimately, the definition of success is living in your path and basically um, becoming the best version of yourself. So if that's becoming a parent or pursuing a career, that's how you determine what will be your definition of success. Struggles and solutions. So, with struggles and solutions, I'll say for me, it will be time management, being able to devote and dedicate specific time for specific things, such as if it's academic classes, you can go ahead and prioritize towards them. Creating a calendar that would allow you to remain on track. Also, budgeting, money and management, monitoring your monthly income, decreasing spending habits. That's something also is important. And one way to, the struggle will be budgeting money, and then the solution will be to monitor how much is coming in versus how much is going out. My assessments, so going to assessments, I will say one assessment that stood out the most to me, which was the Rutgers Value Assessment. It helps you identify the best route for you in terms of career. And based on this assessment, it allows you to see what specific route, what specific career is targeted for your specific personality. My motivation. My motivation is to accept past experiences and allow them to pave your path. It doesn't validate where you're going, but it helps build who you are, and it allows you to live in your truth, walk in your purpose, and be relentless and fearless. So my definition and my motivation is to continue to follow that path, continue to strive for greatness, and to conquer all the goals that I set for myself. The end basically is you are what you become. Allow yourself to walk into your life with a purpose, and specifically follow that path that is designed for you. Never give up and continue to thrive.